So this is where we left last time. Now before we start with conditional statements, I would like to explore a few things with you today. So we looked at operators and different types of operations that we can perform on them. So let's do a few questions based on them. So I will create a new file known as operators.py, and inside this we can write our own code. So the first problem for you is we take a number as input, print out the double of that number, right? So for example, if someone provides a number say 12, the double of that is 24, so we need to print 24. So you can try and give it a solve, but I'll be showing you how to solve it here right now. So first of all, we need to take a number as input. Let's do that. We can assign a variable say num, and we can say input enter a number. Now if you remember from the previous tutorial, input function takes the input only as string. So to convert it to an integer, we must wrap it inside the int function, right? So this takes an integer input. Now to print the double of that number, let's print, we have the number and double of that is multiplied by 2. Let's just save this and run this and see. So we can write 12 here and we get the output of 24, right? Now another thing you can do is that instead of int, you can write float, because see, currently what happens is if I enter a decimal number like 14.5, I get an error, right? Because 14.5 cannot be converted into an integer, right? So what we can do is we can write this as a float, right? And so now any sort of number that we provide will be doubled, right? So let's try this again, and let's go 14.5, and just let me pull this up for you. There you go, it's 29, which is the correct answer, right? And even if I don't give a integer a float literal, if say I provide an integer like 10, it still works correctly, albeit the answer is in floating point numbers, right?